Have you ever come across an article online that has one of these reading progress bars that indicate how much of the article is left for you to read? These reading progress bars can significantly reduce bounce rates and increase the time visitors spend on your site. And the good news is that getting them up and running on your WordPress website is a piece of cake. Let me show you how it's done. Before we jump in, just a quick reminder that, hey, we love talking about marketing, we love talking about web design and development, we are WordPress enthusiasts, and if any of these topics speak to you, or if by the end of the video you found it useful, please do consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. All right, let me show you how to enable a reading progress bar for your blog posts. Perfect, so I'm in the back end of my WordPress website, and really quick, again, before we start, you do have to be using Thrive Theme Builder as your main theme on WordPress if you want to follow along, and you want to use it just to make your life easier because you're going to find out really quickly how easy it is to enable that awesome reading progress bar. Now, this is what my current blog post design looks like right now, right? So I've got a title, a right-hand side column, a left-hand side column with some menu items, and the content of my actual post. And then I've got here a really cool author bio powered by all-in-one SEO. So there's no reading progress bar. How do we enable one? First step is to jump over into Thrive Theme Builder. And we're going to be managing the post template that I've designed for my blog posts. Great, so here let's jump right into templates. And I want you to locate the template that you're using on your blog posts. So let's just first things first, let's just show all of the blog post templates. So all custom posts, I want you to please show me all of the templates that I've created for my website. I've got a template for, minimal. I've got another template called 3-column layout, which is the one that I'm currently using. So locate the template that you want that reading progress bar to show up on and hit edit. And now it's just as simple as enable the reading progress indicator. So let's pick out a color here. Actually, that gold color should be fine. Let's save. And now if I refresh my blog post, you can see how that reading progress bar shows up at the very top. Now it starts halfway through because this post in particular is kind of short. But for longer posts, it will start even earlier. And that's it. I mean, it's really that simple. It literally takes less than a minute to set up with Thrive Theme Builder. If you have any questions, I'm down in the comment section below. And yeah, useful links to learn more about Thrive Theme Builder and Thrive Suite are in the description box. Truly appreciate your time, and I'll see you soon. Thanks again. Bye.